Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about some important basic but important topics related to Python. We will discuss logic here. My main focus is to discuss logic of the problem, like which are basic but many people ignores that topic. This topics like longest, find the longest word in a string, reversing a string, or factorial, number swapping, or squaring of the list, tuples, etc. So don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So first, we will see how to reverse a string, given string. So we will see reverse the string. To reverse a string, first I will define one function. Let's say string. I will say reverse, and I will give one parameter as let's say code. You can give anything what you want. Then we have to give one variable. I'm taking one variable as a, and here is the main step. We have to use a slicing method, string slicing. I will first write and show you. Let's say I'm taking the variable. Wait, first I will describe one variable with a string. Let's say string I love coding. So this string I have to reverse this string. So first define the function, then I'm taking one variable a, then we have to use slicing method here, I with square brackets, and so basically these two colons means first colon stand for starting point, second one start for ending point, and this one stands for steps. So to reverse a string we use this negative sign, -1, which will reverse our string. Let's see this. I will print this out. Print, and I will simply call this function reverse code. Reverse I, sorry. Let's run this. So you can see here I love coding is now reverse. You can see here, zoom this out. See, so this is the way you can reverse a string. There are many more methods to reverse the string. So this one is a simple one, so you can try this out. So second one, we will see how to find a factorial of a number. So many people know this, but still many people also ignores this. So let's see factorial of a number. So here I am using math function, which is easy to find a factorial. So first we will import math. Then we'll define one function. Let's say rather than defining a function, I will straight away write this like print factorial math dot factorial. So we have to pass here one number. I will take r as an variable with a number. Let's say I want to factorial of number 4, so I will pass here just number, and it will print. So you can see factorial of 4 is 24. This is basically easy. 5 and 20. So this was the second one to find as a factorial of a number. Easy peasy. So third one we will see how to square a list. Means we have elements in a list, we have to square each numbers. Squaring the list. So let's say L1 is our list and it has 1 2 3 4 elements, 4 integers. So we have to square these elements like 1 4 9 16. So how can we do? First we have to run one for loop I in L1. We have to square that each means whatever the for loop will iterate through each element and it will store to variable I. Then we have to square that variable I and we will print this out. First I will call so you can see the output 1496, but we want the answer same like list format. So it is easy to do. We will take one empty list and then rather than printing A, first we will take one variable B, let's say B, and we'll take list L2 dot append. So append will make our list append the list like this, and append our stored variable is A, so we will append here variable A, and then we will print our variable B, variable L2, that is list. So now let's see. Oops, sorry. Now it's okay. So you can see we got an output like this, same like a list. So this was how to square a list. So fourth one is like we want to find a min max of a number, which is also easy, but let's see. Let's say A of the list, so that min max. Let's say A is our list with the numbers 1 5 random numbers in it. So we have to find the maximum of this number. So we will add max is an inbuilt function, and we have to pass the variable. Here it's A. So it will give the maximum of this number. Same way we can find the minimum, and you can see this minimum topics are there to increase our logic in this way. So I will make more videos on such topics. In next video we will also see how many more topics like finding a longest word and removing repetition in a list, string, so which will develop our skills and logic and thinking. So thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you. Take care.